Hello my friends, today we get our usual stuff with onion, garlic, potatoes is today. We have zucchini, japonellos and we have the salmon. So that's the salmon, ocean catched of course, and we put it in the tomato sauce. Oh, the garlic is peeled and comes to the cutting machine. That is the cutting machine, and here is the bell pepper. We also put in the sauce together with the tomato. So the vegetable, the zucchini, everything is in the pan and gets 5 minutes nicely before the tomato comes. And the potato are coming and take 5 minutes also. And then we put the salmon in the pan. All the vegetables, the zucchini in the tomato sauce are ready. We are just waiting for the salmon. So the salmon is just in the pan and takes from every side 3 minutes. So the potatoes are also ready. And we just wait for the salmon. Oh, the salmon look already good, but takes another 2 minutes. So this is already the salmon and the potatoes, and now the tomato sauce is coming, hopefully. So,
here?
yeah, in the middle. Of course we have enough, so okay, that's it. So, bon appetit. Yeah, for me it's enough. Okay, one more. Okay, then we say bon appetit. Till tomorrow, and don't forget to like and subscribe. No, just a moment. We have avocado and blueberries and dessert. That is it. Bon appetit now.